This is breaking news.
And that breaking news, we now know the name of the suspect accused in the premeditated murder of a Terre Haute police officer. Wish TV broke that news this afternoon, and the details of how investigators believe the ambush killing happened.
We have full team coverage for you from Terre Haute, starting with I-Team 8's Richard Essex. Richard, you have those new details from the FBI investigators.
Shane Meehan has been named the suspect in the shooting death of Terre Haute Police Detective Ferenczi. Now, the 44-year-old Terre Haute native is just retired from the federal correctional system, and he ran for mayor 2 years ago. According to court documents obtained by I-Team 8, the suspect, Shane Meehan, drove past the FBI office at Terre Haute several times before stopping his truck, getting out, and throwing a Molotov cocktail over the fence. That is when Detective Ferenczi walked out of the building and the suspect opened fire. The detective was able to return fire, but later died at a hospital from his wounds. This morning, Paul Keenan, FBI agent in charge of the Indianapolis office, said federal agents searched the suspect's home and vehicle.
An agent inside our office heard the gunshots, came outside, and engaged the suspect and fired at him. The suspect subsequently left the scene and drove himself to the hospital.
The suspect was treated and remains in the hospital in custody of the FBI. Late this morning, in the parking lot where the shooting happened, federal crime scene investigators, some flown into Terre Haute specifically for this investigation, were busy combing through every inch of the parking lot.
Because an FBI agent was involved in the shooting, a team from FBI headquarters inspection division has flown out today to review the shooting. They will carefully examine the circumstances of the shooting and review all relevant evidence from the scene and conduct interviews.
This is the house listed on county election records of what is believed to be the last known address for Shane Meehan. A man who said he was a friend of the family was putting the front door back on the house. He said the family isn't interested in talking and they're still trying to make sense out of what happened. He declined to say much more. Detective Greg Ferenczi has been with the Terre Haute Police Department for 30 years. During the past 11 years, he was also a member of an FBI task force. Neither the FBI or the Terre Haute Police Department would say if the suspect was under investigation by the detective. One issue that has not been discussed is motive. Why did Meehan attack an FBI office here in Terre Haute, Indiana? Meehan will be charged with premeditated murder of a federal officer. In Terre Haute, Richard Essex, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
Richard, thank you very much. As shock rolls through Terre Haute over the killing, we're now learning much more about Detective Greg Ferenczi. News 8's David Williams has that part of our team coverage.
I've spent the day here in Terre Haute, and driving around town, I've seen quite a few businesses that have done this, lowered their flags to half staff. This community has come together to honor Detective Ferenczi. Along with this electronic billboard honoring law enforcement along US 41, Detective Greg Ferenczi was a part of the Terre Haute Police Department for 30 years. Since 2010, he was part of an FBI task force. For the people who knew him, one thing always stood out: his smile. Jay Dorman knew him for a number of years. It was always a special moment when he used to come inside his dealership.
He'd talk to anybody. We'd sit around, joke, talk a little bit of shop, how his life was going, what he was doing, or we'd talk about his kids.
Now, coming up all new at 6, hear more from people in town who knew Detective Ferenczi, plus the heartfelt message Dorman has for the community. In Terre Haute, I'm David Williams, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
Head to wishtv.com right now for all of our coverage. You can read through the details of the newly released court documents, plus get reaction from Terre Haute and around the state. Again, that's all right now at wishtv.com.